Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I have created this hairstyle today, which is your big curly wavy hair. So if you like what you see, please carry on watching. So to start off with, I'm going to be showing you the tools I am going to be using. So the first thing I'm going to be using is hairbrush, of course. Another thing as well is a tail comb. Then also you need at least about 2 clips, a hair tie as well. And then in terms of products, I'm going to be using this, which is a thickening cream by Bumble&Bumble. Really it's for blow drying, but I just like using it. Also this by L'Oreal Paris, which is the curl tonic. So obviously it's supposed to help with natural curls, but I just like using it, so I feel like it holds my curls, so that's why I use it. Now the actual curler I'm going to be using is by a brand called N.U.M.E. N.U.M.E. I can't pronounce it, so I'm not even gonna bother, but I'll show you. So it is by this brand. Now it's an American brand, it's not from the UK. I got this years and years ago. So you have 5 detachable heads, and you're getting 5 different styles. So you're getting one that's shaped like bubbles. You've got one that is an actual pointed wand. You've got a small barrel, you've got a medium-sized barrel, and then you've got a large barrel. So the one I'm going to be using today is the large barrel. I want to show you, and it's this one. So now it does come with a glove, but I don't like using the gloves because I feel like it gets in my way. So I just use it just like that. So this doesn't really have a temperature setting. It basically is where you kind of unlock, lock. It's got an on and off switch here, and that's it. It doesn't really have a temperature gauge. So I just, you can't really control the temperature. So just make sure that you do put some heat protection in your hair. So what I'm going to start doing is using the thickening cream. And I'm not going to use too much, probably about that much. So putting it between my 2 hands, and I'm just going to brush it through into my hair. So the reason why I use this is because I feel like it gives me some volume in my hair, and that's what I want, especially with my curls. That's evenly gone through your hair. I now use the curl tonic. So I just spray bits of that everywhere. Without spraying it in my face. And then getting the brush, just making sure that it's all evenly spread. So the products are now in my hair, and what I'm now going to do is section my hair. So I like to start from just halfway through my ear, and then just connecting my 2 fingers together, and then bringing that hair down, and then tying the rest of it up. Right, so you should have about this much of hair to curl. So what I then like to do is kind of split that section in half. So we've got one bit here, and then you've got another bit here. So then making sure that you've brushed through the hair. And then this is probably about 2 inches. So I'll take about 1 inch of hair. and then grabbing my hair tong, bringing it from behind. And now be careful because this tool is incredibly hot. So what I'm going to be doing is with this, I'm going to be twisting it while I am wrapping it around the tong. So let me show you. I'm just twisting it around. And then I'll leave it there for a couple of seconds and then just release, and then you should get a curl that looks like that. Now I just leave it there for a while and let that then kind of cool down. And the reason why you want to let that cool down is so that it stays in that position. So just let it cool down a little bit. I'm just going to move on to the next part. And then when I'm doing the other side, I'm then going to grab the one from the opposite side and then curl my hair that way. So again, just grabbing about 1 inch of hair. That's not 1 inch. Okay, that's about 1 inch. Grabbing the one from behind and then twisting it around the wand. And then just letting that drop. And then I'm going to do the next part. Just making sure I've twisted it around the wand, holding it for a while and then just releasing it. So you should get curls like that. If I'm curling the hair that is on the left side, I will then be using the wand in my right hand, and if I am then curling the hair that is on my right hand side, I will then use the curler on my left hand side. And the reason why I do that, so the curls curl outward as opposed to curling inward, because if it curls inward, it tends to irritate me and it starts touching my face and I hate that. So I'd rather it just curl out. So what I'm now going to do is just continue with the hair, but I'm going to fast forward it a little bit so it just kind of cuts out all the crap. Now, where most of my hair is curled, when it comes to the center, I'm going to be curling it backward. And I'm going to leave a small section over here to then curl in a different way, which I will obviously be showing you. So with the hair at the top, I'll take 1/2 inch. Probably about this much, just about 1/2 inch in terms of thickness, and then curling it backward. Now each section I do going forward, I will rotate hands. So the first section I've used my right hand, and then the next section that I will curl, it will be with my left hand. So now switching over to my left hand. The reason why I do that is so that it mixes the pieces together and it doesn't just kind of fall just one way. I'm going to continue doing the rest until I get to the front. So now pretty much most of my hair is curled, or I'd say all of it apart from this one little piece here. Now with this one piece here, I'm going to be sectioning it this way towards my face, so probably in about 4 sections. And the way I'm going to be curling it is I'm going to be bringing the curler from behind, bringing it forward, and then curling it this way. So if that made any sense to you. So this is my first piece here. Bringing the curler from behind in terms of this way, and then just wrapping it around the curler. So the curler should basically be pointing towards the face, obviously without burning yourself. You should get a curl like this. I'm going to carry on doing the next pieces. So now that the hair is completely curled, there is just one last step that you've just got to do, and that is brushing your hair with your fingers. So just through your hair, brushing it, and that just loosens up the curls so it doesn't look too curly, and it kind of just pieces together. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to do big curly waves. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe and share my channel. That would be greatly appreciated. If there is anything else that you would like to see, please pop it in the comment box below, and I will see you again in a couple of days. See you later.